It's a beautiful van. It's in great shape, limited package, fully equipped. You got power sliding doors, power lift gate, beautiful interior, full stow and go, perforated leather seats, got the Uconnect theater system, panoramic sunroof. Moving into the back area. Vans, of course, offer some great storage even when the seats are all up. This vehicle is equipped with the power stow and go feature for the third row. This van, as you can see here, that easily stow in the floor out of place, the touch of a button. There you go, and now you have all that storage, and if you needed to throw the seats in the floor at the front, and you have all that space. And moving in into the front, again, perforated leather seats, heated and ventilated. 8.4-inch touchscreen radio with navigation. It also has Apple CarPlay, Android Auto for the rear system, your Blu-ray DVD player. You have USB auxiliary, large center console with loads of space for storage. All around, beautiful vehicle, very well priced at $26,999. I know you're in Kingston, so this will hopefully help you out in terms of seeing the vehicle. If you do have any questions, please feel free to email me back. You can give me a call at 613-745-7051, extension 1203, or you can text me at the 745-7051 number. Thanks a lot.